Good evening, Code Simplifier tribes. Behzad is here from Code Simplifier Coding School. Welcome back to another video from our SQL series. Today, we will learn about min function. And in contrast, min function works exactly as opposite of max function, which we covered in our last video. So basically, the min function returns the smallest value of a selected column. And in our case, it will find the lowest grade from our student result column. With that being said, let's get into it. First, we need to make sure our database is connected to our server and we are working on our School2 database. Click on this sign here on your tab bar, then click OK. Here you need to enter the password for your database. Once we connect it to our database, we need to run this script that it will use the School2 database to work on. Once we run this script, we are going to the last script we wrote on our last video, which in our case was the max function. Here we are. Below our max function, we want to write a comment about our script and describe what it does. Below our comment, we want to write down select. Below select, we want to write down min, open and close parentheses. And between the parentheses is we want the value from the student result column. So it will be student result, and we want to store the value as lowest result. We specified what we want by using the min function. And the next step, it would be, where do we get this value from? And the answer, it would be from our student in subject table. And that's it. Now, let's run the code and check out the outcome. So click on your code, run the code. As you can see, 0 is the lowest result in our student result column. And that will cover today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. As per usual, if you have any concern or need more explanation, please write your question down in the comment section below. Also, if you are new here and this video helped you, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video, as this is the way to support our work and help us to create more content like this video to share with others and help others. Thanks for your time, and I will see you next week.